Hi everybody, happy Friday. We've had a couple things happen this week that are great. One is we are under contract on our latest project in Northeast Minneapolis. And then last week we actually closed on one of our projects. It had gotten delayed for a few days, but that one's all taken care of. So we've got projects that are in the works right now that are close to being done. You'll start seeing some new photos and updates shortly. But when we start to sell inventory and finish the ones we have, then that means I have to go find some new projects. So I haven't stepped inside this house yet. I'm gonna take you guys with me as I walk through it and kind of give some commentary about the different potential benefits a property like this would have. I'm gonna flip the camera around right now so you guys can see. Okay, so we're gonna step inside it. We got the house opened up for us. Okay, so we are in a house in South Minneapolis. This is most likely early 1900s. You guys can see the detail in the walls. And these doorways here, so those are pretty interesting. Living room here, fireplace. The stone looks like it may be original around it, but I feel like at some point something maybe was updated. I'm not quite sure. The insert maybe. So you can see we've got radiators here. So that's a good opportunity to add forced air heat and AC. We've got windows in here. These are actually, they look original, or like they could be original. These are actually considered an upgraded window that was part of an initiative that the Airport Commission put in place for homeowners a few years ago. We're really close to the airport, so that's why they have these upgraded windows for sound. But you can see these latches on these windows. These are actually beautiful. So let's step into the kitchen. Our dining room, I guess, right here. So we've got a sitting room that we just looked at, living room. Here's a kitchen, dining room. Okay, so here's a kitchen, a little bit of a different layout. And tons of cabinets. I'm not sure how functional they really may be. It seems like that might be a little tight over there. That's awesome. And there's the stairs to the basement. Okay, so since basements are my favorite, not at all. We'll go back there in a few minutes. So let's check out here. This is awesome. I have no idea. I would guess this has been used as a bedroom. And here's a bathroom. Not terrible for size, not great. I've got some great border up there. So yeah, I mean, any of this is able to be replaced pretty easily. But the functionality of this room is what I'm a little bit concerned with. The size seems really strange. No, and see, here we go. If you've ever been with me on some of my other tours, you know we always find really strange stuff. So there's a safe, but the combo is taped to the door, so somehow I think there's probably nothing in there then. Nope. Treasure will be mine to find on another day, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off this light here. So oftentimes when you're out looking for a fixer-upper, you'll see a description of a property that sounds like it's perfect, and you'll be tempted to either, write an offer right away, or kind of get ahead of yourself. It's really important when you're looking at houses and you're trying to buy a fixer-upper, whether it's for yourself or for a rehab project that you're looking to sell. If you're going to start doing houses, it's really important you go look at things, because you never know what you're going to find. Or at least have somebody that you trust go out and scout houses for you. So this is a bedroom upstairs, pretty good size. This is another room. The square footage requirement for code for this to be a legal bedroom would be 72 feet. I feel like we're gonna be pretty tight with this, but it might fly. And here, just a closet. Check out those gorgeous knobs. I love original hardware. Okay, so here's another bathroom. Again, all of this is cosmetic, and anytime you're gonna touch any of this, if you're gonna take out the floor and put a new vanity in, which you would need to do, that one's pretty rough, then everything will need to be brought up to code, current plumbing code. And then here's another bedroom here. This one's a little bit bigger. Let's go check out and see this door is. So, just a strange closet. So, and a weird lock on the door here. That's not normal. Alright. And then just another closet. So, okay, so we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom. Having that bathroom upstairs is great. Normally in these older houses, you will not find that. So what we would want to do up here, if we could, is create a master suite. If we can't create it up here, we might want to consider it on the main floor, but you'll remember there was just that one bathroom on the main floor. So if you have a main floor with a master bathroom, then you'd want to create an outer bath for everybody else using the main floor. Okay, so yeah, I guess we're heading into the basement. Let me see if I can put the light on here. Okay, so it's pretty dark down here. I don't know if I can see any light. I should have brought a flashlight, but I forgot. So, oh darn it. Okay, let's see. There we go. There we go. Okay. So you've got some light down here. Looks like there's a little bit of a kitchen, which we wouldn't necessarily need, but we could use it for laundry or plumbing. Ceiling height down here seems decent for building code, so that's not necessarily a bad thing. Let's go check out the other side of the basement. So, bathroom right there. Some weird knobs in here. I can't really see anything. So this looks like it must be, hold on just a second, laundry room. Okay. So, what is this back here? Okay, so we have a 2-car tuck under garage, which again, very unusual to have a connected garage in this neighborhood, but lots of opportunity. If you've got a tuck under garage here, that means could be your main entrance into the home. So great place to do some type of a mudroom, hooks, bench, that type of thing. You could easily redo this bathroom. You could easily move this bathroom as well if that was something that made sense for the layout. And in this laundry room, we probably keep a lot of these items the same. You can see there, that's the radiator or the boiler that's heating the house. That's pretty advanced in age, so that would need to be replaced. But if we're going to replace the heating system for the house, then we would also add central air, which that does not exist right now. And then we would also add ductwork to heat the entire house from the basement up all the way through the upstairs bathroom. So, okay. So if you guys are looking for fixer-uppers for yourself or to start investing in real estate, I have a really important thing to do. So make sure you're looking at your exterior. So I'm gonna step outside so we can take a look around this house. It's really easy to get caught up in looking at the interior of the house and miss all of the opportunities the exterior might hold. So, we've got some steps over there. Those are in decent shape and need power washed. We've got a stucco exterior. It's been really damp lately, so the roof is hard to exactly tell the age of it. It looks like it may be okay. Those are the architectural shingles. You can tell how they're overlapping. They add some dimension. And then I'm gonna walk around the other side of the house. So we just have some areas underneath the window here where we've got peeling paint. So we want to scrape and paint that. We're also really mindful right now at this time of the year that our weather may not hold up very long for us. So anything we would need to do exterior wise for repairs would need to be done pretty quickly. There's an area up there that's going to need to be repaired. One thing I'm noticing is if you look way up at the top here, the house doesn't have very significant overhangs. So that would just be something to be aware of. And that those are wood. Oftentimes you'll find those are wrapped in metal. And we got a really big AC unit, which is interesting. So maybe there is ductwork, even though I didn't see any ductwork. This is one of the most unusual backyards I've seen. And here it's gonna get even better. Check out the camper. This has not happened before. So you guys can see, this is what the house looks like. And so, I'm just going all the way back to the corner of the lot. There's no backyard. So with this walkway, with the shed to my right, and all of these plantings, they've chosen to basically not have any grass. So for some buyers, that may be a pretty big deterrent. But now you know why. They had to make room for the camper. Okay, thanks for following along. I appreciate you guys hanging with me as I walk through the house. Not sure about this one. Big drawbacks would be the yard, of course. Not being able to even create one if we wanted one for a buyer. But other than that, just a little bit of weirdness to the layout. Not sure if we could get what we would want for it in terms of spaces. Not sure if we could get that open concept kitchen, living and dining room. If we could, it would require opening up that wall and losing that fireplace. So I'm gonna have to think about that a little bit. If you have any questions about this house, anything you saw, or any questions as you're searching for your own fixer-upper, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I will answer as quickly as I can. Have a great Friday.